Hello everybody, welcome to a new video of Jane's Speed Shop. This is part number 3 of disassemble the M113 engine block. So if you're new to the channel, look in the right corner, it's my logo, you can click on it, see all the other details and have a look on janespeedshop.com, the link is over here. So this engine is for the S124 V8 Turbo project. I'm at the point of getting the pistons and the rods out and disassemble the crankshaft. So that's what we're going to do. Put some numbers on it already. 528 and 124. And I cleaned the carbon lines on top of it a little bit. There's a little bit of carbon deposit on top. I cleaned it a little bit with some thinner to get it a little bit out of it. And now I'm going to remove the pistons one by one and getting the crankshaft out of it. So. So, all pistons are out. Crankshaft is a little bit dirty. I think you can see it pretty good on camera. I cleaned the big ends a little bit. It looks there are lines in it, but it's more like oil. Yeah, or a little bit of carbon in it. It's very flat, but there is just some dirt on it. So I need to clean it for sure. You can see that this is less than the rest. It looks there's some lines on it, but it's very flat, so it just needs some polishing. So it's nice and clean. You can see in the bearings of the big end that there is wear in the bearings. Yeah, you can see they are used for sure. It's through the first layer, so you can really see that some spots is worse than the other spots. So this is showing a little bit like there should be more oil changes in these cars, or it's only run short distances, so not warm and that sort of stuff. So this is also, you can also see everything looks like this. Yeah, that's not good. If the oil is not fully clean, then you got this kind of thing, and you got more wear. So I don't think it's over a certain point, but you can see the oil was not that clean in this engine. But the bores look all good and nice and clean just from the top, so that's very good. I don't think this engine would have a very good time running another 100,000 kilometers in this state, but yeah, I'm not too worried about it. This is very good to do. So when I get the crankshaft balanced, then I will also ask him to polish the journals. So that's the next point. I'm going to remove this cover and then remove the crankshaft, and then the engine is empty, of course, and then we can see how the bearings look underneath the main bearings, and then we can have a look. So there's a sequence for this. I will show you that in a minute, how to do that. So to dismantle the crankshaft and get the main caps off, you have to do it in reverse sequence. So start with 26, then to this one, then to this one, then to this one, and so on. So it's just the opposite direction of how you should tighten it. So let's go. So, crankshaft is out of the engine. All caps are off. I numbered everything because I think I can get all the numbers at a certain point, but I numbered it and made the pictures of everything, so I know where everything is. This is all numbered. So what is the conclusion? The main bearings look pretty normal, nothing too bad. There's a little bit wear here in the bearing. Not that bad. Look all pretty good. It's dirty. Going to clean it. That's to the block. A little bit of carbon deposits. That is all. Can get everything up. Not a big of problem. So this is the top half. It's also looking pretty good, normal. Crankshaft is just dirty. On the main journals it's not too bad. On the back ends there's not really scratches, but it's just dirty. So I'm going to also let this be polished and cleaned fully, so it's all nice and tidy. So also going to tell more about this. I don't know, I will put the lights up, maybe I can show you better then. There is a code on the crankshaft here, and there are also more numbers like here. Here are also numbers. They are all for the bearings as far as I know. I'm going to have a look into that, because you have to order the bearings that are fitted for this engine. So there's not just you order the main bearings and you order the crankshaft bearings and that's it. I think as far as I know these numbers are for top and bottom half. And then for each section, but I have to have a look into that, because normally you should say, I think this is then for, it's not for the connecting rods. I think this is for the main bearings. I think I have to have a look, but that is the case. There is a complete documentation about it. So this is the truss bearings. They were on number 4. They were on here. So that's it really. So what is the reason for me to go and let this crankshaft be balanced, because I'm going to do more upgrades. I don't think I did not mention it, but I will make a separate video of it when I have it all balanced and show you what I'm going to do with it, because it will have a little bit more power than I intended in the first place. So that will be in the next video. So what I'm now going to do is clean the parts that I need to take to get everything balanced. So that's one rod with bolts, one piston with a pin and the rings. So that's what I'm going to do. So thank you for watching. If you've got any questions, leave some comments below or send me an email through the website. Just have a look. In the right corner is my logo. You can click on it, see all the other videos of the project. And this is part 3, so there's a part 1 and 2 for dismantling this engine. Also have a look on jamesspeedshop.com, the link is over here. So thanks for watching, hope you liked it, and see you for the next video. Bye bye.